We Australians are a DIY lot, but there are some projects that are best left to the professionals. Hi guys, I'm Tom Aldridge from Suburban Pest Management. It seems lately a lot of people have been going the DIY route when it comes to getting rid of pests. If that pest is the odd fly, ant or mouse, it's okay to try and go it alone before getting in a professional, as long as you use the proper safety precautions. However, that may not be the best option when talking about termites. Yes, you could go down to the store and look for a chemical that says it kills termites. It would certainly be cheaper in the short term than hiring a professional. But suppose these chemicals only win the battle and not the war against termites. See, individual termites are actually incredibly easy to kill. The problem is they're always connected to a colony with hundreds of thousands of termites. So killing the few that you do see rarely affects the entire colony that you don't see. This can often create a false sense of security that your home is protected when it isn't. So the big question is, what are the right precautions to take to protect your home from termite attack? It may be more expensive to have a professional check and treat your home, but when you consider the harm and incorrect treatment can do, it's wise to reconsider. We understand that times are tough and very uncertain. So right now we're offering a free termite assessment so you know the best options for your home. We'll come to your home at no cost and provide an obligation-free assessment with a detailed treatment plan to rid your home of any termite problem. We look forward to hearing from you and helping keep your home safe from termite attack.